In Revit 2014 we've got a number of enhancements that control the way that we can select objects. One of the things you'll first notice when you deploy and roll out 2014 is down here where you've got the filter tool. You've also got one that allows us to select different components, different elements and different forms. If we go to the modify tools up here and select, you'll also find the same tools here. Let's just disable the select elements by face to start off with, and let me try and explain that. So again, select links. Obviously if you've got that enabled, it allows us to select links, or if it doesn't, you can't select links. Same with underlay elements, same with pinned elements, and then drag elements by selection. It's kind of the same as the feature that we used to have, but it's kind of been renamed. But let's focus around this one here to start off with. In the past, if we wanted to select, say, this slab that's here that forms this model, I could do it two ways. Do a crossing window. We can go to filter. We can filter out the wall. So again, filter out the walls, and we'll select the floor, and we can edit the boundary. Or we can drag our pointer, which is the kind of way that most people used to, and we kind of tab select through until we kind of find the actual floor itself. So you can see here, keep going through, and it's always really tricky to do. So what we'll do is we'll enable the select elements by face, and when I do that now, as you can see, as I roll over, it finds the face of the slab, and we can select it and edit it. But again, another new enhancement to 2014 is more double clicking functionality to edit elements. So if I select the floor here and double click it, I go straight into the sketch mode. Let's quickly put a hole in the slab. Let's do it again, double click it, and we can remove it. And again, that works with things like roofs. Double click the roof, and we'll change the picture. And again, double clicking, say, a wall profile as well. So a couple of enhancements, the double click functionality and then the selection settings here. If you don't like the double click functionality, you can go to the applications menu in options, and under user interface you'll find here double click options. We can customize this, so we can see that you can do nothing, edit the family, or edit the type for all these elements as well. And again, things like schedules, we can activate it or do nothing when we double click it, so just be aware of that. So nice improvement to 2014 in terms of how you select and edit elements. Just be aware of the double click functionality, because that might catch you out first time.